Hold on tight to your seats, thrill seekers. The winds of adventure blow strong today as we dive into the heart-stopping world of roller coasters. But not just any roller coaster. We're talking about the first single-rail mountain coaster in America. Imagine this, a single rail slicing and winding its way through the breathtaking landscapes of the majestic mountains. No other roller coaster in America offers this unique twist to the adrenaline-pumping ride. Unleashing a new era of coaster technology, this remarkable feat of engineering stands tall and bold. The single-rail design is not just a novelty, it's a game-changer. Unlike traditional roller coasters, this one offers a more intense, immersive experience. Each cart glides smoothly over the rail, banking and turning in sync with the terrain. Suspended above the ground, the coaster takes you on an exhilarating journey. Feel the rush of the wind against your face, hear the roar of the rail beneath you, and experience the thrill of speed like never before. It's not just a ride, it's an adventure that defies gravity and challenges your senses. And then, there are the twists and turns. Sharp as a falcon's dive, swift as a river's flow. They'll keep you on the edge of your seat, your heart pounding in your chest. The coaster's design is not merely about speed, but about creating an experience that thrills, excites, and mesmerizes. But what truly sets this coaster apart is its respect for the environment. Built with minimal disruption to the natural landscape, it's a testament to man's ability to blend technology and nature in harmony. The single-rail design significantly reduces the coaster's footprint, preserving the beauty of the mountains for generations to come. So, there you have it. The first single-rail mountain coaster in America, a marvel of innovation, a testament to adventure, and a ride that'll leave you breathless. It's not just a roller coaster, it's a journey that will ignite your spirit and set your heart racing. Now, it's your turn to take the plunge. Experience the thrill, the speed, the excitement. Feel the rush of the wind, the roar of the rail, and the heart-stopping moments that make this coaster a truly unique adventure. So, what are you waiting for? The mountains are calling, the rail is ready, the adventure of a lifetime awaits.